Hello, my name's Kanji Coder. I fucking hate this. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Okay, hunk ring function section. So we're gonna take an explosion and split it into pieces, and it's going to be a ring-shaped explosion. Room index, tile size, level local X and Y of the explosion, the arm reach of the explosion, and the output hunk tetrad that stores the 4 tetrads of the explosion, or the 4 hunk vectors of the explosion. Let's scroll down here. So the code we've added is called populate the tetrad ring. This thing doesn't exist yet. The output object needs to be equal to this reusable object right here, otherwise we're throwing a fucking error. This is fucking long, so we're gonna copy all of this shit over to here so it's just shorter. Top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. Okay, we're gonna load that, okay? Or actually, no, direction vectors. So the top left is going right and screen down. Top right, left, screen down, bottom left. We're going to the right, and we are going, why are we going, yeah, and then we're going screen up. Yeah, screen up, bottom right. We're going to the left, and we're going screen up. Okay, so these are the different vectors for explaining the topology of our explosion, I guess. Okay, scrolling down here, load hunk vector origins. All we're doing is we're going to take these variables we declared earlier, right? And you notice that this is pretty much a direct match to these, except, you know, there's a little underscore between there, right? So hunk vector origin, right? Origin, X and Y, we're just copying this over. This is the origin of our kind of multi-directional rays that are describing the explosion shape that we're splitting into 4 chunks. Okay, down here, split the magnitudes. If our explosion spans multiple levels within the level pack on the horizontal axis, then we do it one way. If on the horizontal axis we're in the same level, then we do it another way, right? And then otherwise we're going to throw an error. Okay, split the magnitude of the explosion on the vertical axis. If we're in the same level, sorry, if we're in different levels vertically, we split the explosion one way on the vertical axis, and if we're in the same level, we split it another way on the vertical axis. Otherwise, we fucked up. This is an impossible configuration. And then what is this? Hunk vector magnitude. The magnitude is going to be calculated in these splitting sections, but I don't know exactly what the code is going to be yet, so I'm just like, figure it the fuck out. Okay, and then we're throwing an error because we're not fucking done. If you want a longer fucking explanation, you'll have to go here, because I ain't got no fucking time. Like and subscribe.